laying in your bed with your headphones in, listening to a bunch of different subliminals that you randomly found on YouTube and waiting to become prettier, richer, or whatever you've been trying to manifest. And you're asking yourself, why isn't it working for me? Like, what am I doing wrong? This is what I've been doing personally to make my manifestations come way faster, is making your own subliminals. Personally, for me, I found it works way better than random subliminals, and it's probably gonna work better for you as well. Well, 99%, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work for you way better as well. And this is the part nobody tells you. The reason those subliminals that you find on YouTube aren't working for you isn't because subliminals don't work. It's either you're listening to somebody else's affirmations that you're not even aware of what they are, and most of the times you don't even know what those affirmations are for real that they put in those subliminals. I've seen a lot of cases where people put really bad affirmations in the subliminals, so you gotta be careful to whose subliminals you even listen to. A robotic voice that is not your voice. And personally, to me, it's pretty freaking annoying. Also, a song you would probably never pick. Affirmations are generic, could be for anybody, and they're not personal and made for you by you. So today I'm gonna show you how to make your own subliminals. It's so freaking easy. You're gonna be like, damn, like this is all it took. Yes, exactly. First thing you want to do is actually pick, what do you want to manifest? Like, what do you want this subliminal to be about? It can be money, it can be love, it can be looks, whatever you want. Choose that first. Then you're gonna take your phone, open your voice notes app in your phone, and record yourself saying your affirmations. Now, if it's going to be easier for you, you can also write it down on a piece of paper in your notes, doesn't even matter. Write it down as affirmations that you normally would, or write your own little story of how would you feel when you would get this thing. For an example, if you're trying to manifest a bag, let's say it can be a Chanel bag. Don't just say, I have a Chanel bag, I have a Chanel bag, it's pink. I'm gonna challenge you to go into even more detail where you explain how would you feel wearing that bag? What outfits would you pair with that bag? Where would you wear that bag? Like maybe to go out with your friends. And you can do that for basically anything, whether it's a car, how would you feel like when you would be driving that car? Go into crazy detail as much as you want. Make it personal to you. That's the whole philosophy. Make it personal to you. Now, when you film that in the voice notes, you're going to want to go to CapCut or any other editing app that you want to use for this. I personally use CapCut. Now, the next thing is choose the song that you want to make your subliminal. Now, my recommendation is skip the sad songs, the depressive songs that don't make you feel good. Skip them. Okay. Most of the times when you're trying to manifest something, you're going to want to manifest something positive. Then you're going to download that song, screen record it, doesn't even matter. Put it into CapCut, and then you're going to import the voice note that you recorded. Now you can speed up the voice note or just leave it as it is. It's up to you how you would like it. Turn it down a bit, and there it is. You have your own subliminal. Now you can play with this, do it as much as you want, and listen to it. So what you just did here is you chose a song that makes you feel good, puts you in a good mood. Second, you're going to be hearing the affirmations in your own voice. Not just a robotic generic voice that's saying the affirmations. It's going to be your own voice. Listen to it whenever you can. You're doing your makeup, you're out on a walk, you're in a car, it doesn't even matter. And watch what happens. You're going to thank me later. And that's it. It's literally how you make your own subliminal. And we're going to see each other in another video when I'm going to give you another one of my tips, maybe. And comment down below, what subliminals are you going to be making and what are you trying to manifest?